Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to create a pom-pom with a fork. This pom-pom will be 1.5 inches or 3.5 centimeters in diameter. Here's what you need: yarn, a fork, and sharp scissors. First, you need to cut a piece of yarn that is about the length of the fork. Then, place this piece of yarn in the middle between the second and third teeth of the fork. Make sure that both ends of the yarn are on the same level, and hold the yarn down with your left hand. Then, grab some yarn with your right hand and hold the end of the yarn with your thumb. Start wrapping it around your fork, and your pattern will tell you how many times to wrap it, but in our case, we're going to wrap it 18 times. Cut the working yarn and put the fork on the table. Take the yarn from behind and tie a double knot very tightly. Remove your yarn from your fork and cut all the loops. After that, hold the piece and shake it so that it forms more into a sphere shape. Then trim. Voila! Pom-pom is ready. Do not cut the yarn tail because we need it for attaching the pom-pom later.